In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust audio volume in Lightworks with the Audio Mix panel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the audio controls and how to make clean, precise volume adjustments without introducing distortion. First, open Lightworks and load the project you're working on so you can see your timeline and hear your audio. This process is quick and works whether you're dealing with a single clip, multiple tracks, or a full sequence. Look to the bottom right area of the interface. That's where the audio mix lives in Lightworks. You'll recognize it as a compact mixer with vertical faders, level meters, and usually a master output. If your window layout is a bit cramped, try maximizing the main interface or widening the lower section so the mixer becomes visible. Once it's in view, you're ready to adjust. Play your timeline and watch the meters as audio runs. To increase volume, gently push the relevant fader upward. To decrease volume, pull it down. Make small moves and listen in real time. A change of 1 or 2 decibels can make a bigger difference than you might expect. If you have multiple audio tracks like dialogue on one track and music on another, adjust each track's fader individually so you keep a balanced mix. If you only need a global tweak, use the master fader to lift or lower the entire output at once. Keep an eye on the meters. If they spike into the red or hit 0 decibels, that's a sign of clipping, which can cause harsh distortion. Aim for healthy peaks around -12 to -6 decibels for most content, giving you headroom while still sounding full and clear. If your levels are consistently too hot, lower the fader until the peaks fall back into a safe range. Conversely, if everything feels too quiet even after a modest boost, pause playback and verify that your system volume or headphones aren't limiting what you're hearing. As you refine the level, listen for clarity in speech and balance with background elements like music or effects. The goal is to make your mix feel natural, with voices intelligible and music supportive rather than overwhelming. When it sounds right and your meters look controlled, you're done. Lightworks applies these adjustments non-destructively, so you can revisit the audio mix anytime to fine-tune further. That's all it takes. Find the audio mix at the bottom right, nudge the faders to taste, watch your meters, and enjoy a clean, consistent volume throughout your edit.